Hello everyone and welcome to SN Study Station. So today we are going to see how to draw a critical path. If you have not seen the previous video, just check that. There I have explained how to construct the CPM network. So this is done. That same question I have taken. Now with the help of this network, today we are going to solve this second part, that is determine the critical path and project completion time. Critical path we cannot determine until and unless we have the network. So network, now you already know how to create it. Based on that we will find out the critical path and project completion time. These two things we will find out. So let's start. So the same question is there: activity, immediate predecessor and duration. So for this question I have here in the previous video that is already prepared, that CPM network is already done, so that I have created here, that I'll not explain again, so you can check that video. So now with the help of this we have to form a critical path first thing, and project completion time we have to find out. So let's start it. So here first we'll start with the critical path. For finding the critical path there are two things which are very important. One is earliest start time and second thing is latest completion time. For finding the critical path, first we have to find out the critical start time and earliest start time and latest completion time, ES and LC. These two things we have to find out. For that, here you have formulas here, and for each node you have to give two spaces like this. For first node 2 boxes, for second node 2 boxes, third node like this. We have to create boxes for all the nodes. Fifth, total we have 9 nodes, so 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So now what we need to do is, first we'll find out the earliest start time. So in this box the lower part will show the earliest start time and upper part will show the latest completion time. So first we will find out the lower part, that is earliest start time. Formula is ESG equals maximum of I in brackets ESI plus DIJ. So I is starting activity and J is ending activity. Okay, it means that starting and ending activity or nodes we will take, and D refers to duration. So duration is already written here with each activity. Like for activity A it is 2 months, activity B it is 5 months, like this it is written. So based on this we'll find out the earliest start time. So formula here is maximum I, and then in brackets we have to take here ESI plus DIJ, means for starting activity we have to take the earliest time plus add the duration. So when we see the first node, earliest start time is there, so always you have to start here with 0, because before we don't have anything. Before first node we don't have anything, so we have to keep here as 0. For the second node we have to take that first node ES plus add the duration. So first node ES, like for the first node ES is always 0. For the second node we have to take 0 plus duration is 2. So 2 will come here. Like this we have to find out. Okay. This we have to take plus add duration. So like this we will find out. Now for the third node, like for here we have to take, for third node also this is starting with 1. So 1, 2, 3 it is coming. So first node earliest start time plus duration. So first node earliest start time is 0 plus duration is 5. Okay, here you can see now. So it will be 5. For third node it will be 5. ES will be 5. Now for fourth node, if you see, that was starting from 1 to 4. So from 1 to 4 it is coming, that means 0 is ES and then 4 is duration. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay. For the second node is done. Second, third and fourth node is done. Now coming towards fifth node. Fifth node is coming from 2 to 5, right? So from 2 to 5 we are coming. For 2, ES is 2 and duration is 7. So 2 plus 7. For fifth node, earliest start time is 2 plus duration is 7. That makes it 9. So here we will write 9. Like this we have to find out. Okay. From 5 to 8 when we will go. So 5 for fifth, ES is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 will come here. Okay. Then okay, now there is one thing. When you see the sixth node, okay, when you check the sixth node, so for sixth node we have 3 activities which are coming towards sixth node. Okay. Okay, one thing here, that also this also I need to remove. Okay, for sixth node, if you check, so here we have 3 activities which are coming towards sixth node. F, G and H. 3 activities are coming towards sixth node. F, G and H. All these 3. Okay. So which one we will choose? Okay, that we have to see. Okay. So for F activity, if you check from 2 to 6 node. So from 2 we have ES2 plus 3 we can do. Okay. 2 plus 3 we can do. So it will be 5. Then for 6th node we will have ES as 5. Then if you check G activity is coming from 3 to 6. So that means 5 plus 3. ES plus duration. So 5 plus 3, that means 8 here. Then H activity also coming towards 6. So for H activity is coming from 4 to 6th node. So 4th we don't have this. Okay. So first we'll find out this one, then we'll come towards 6th activity. So for 4th node, if you check, for 4th node also, we have C and D. 2 activities are coming towards 4th node. So C activity, if you see, C activity from 1 to 4, C activity 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. And D activity, if you see, so D activity we have ES as 5 plus duration is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have these 2 things. So for 4th node, earliest start time, we have to select the maximum one. Out of 4 and 10, the maximum is 10. So here we have to write 10. That is what maximum is written here in the formula. Okay. If for any node there are many activities which are coming towards that node, then you have to find out the ES and select the maximum. For 6th activity, now we have this H activity 10 plus 6. So for 6th we have 3 activities, out of which we will select the maximum one. 16 is the maximum one. Like this we will do. Okay. Then next activity is 7. 7 activity only we have I. For 7th node we have I activity, that is 10 plus 2. So 12 will come here. For 9th activity again we have okay. For 8th activity also you need to change this. So for 8th activity, if you check, here we have 2 activities coming towards 8, that is J and K. J means 9 plus 5, 14, and K means 16 plus 4, 20. So maximum is 20, so we'll write here 20. For 9th activity also, for 9th activity we have 3, for 9th node we have 3 activities, N, L, M. So again you find out for N, 20 plus 8. Okay. For L, 16 plus 3. And for M, 12 plus 12. So which one is maximum? 28 is maximum. So 28 will come for the 9th activity. Like this we'll find out earliest start time for all the activities. Like for each node you have to check the previous node starting, previous node ES, and then add the duration. If there are more than one activity which is coming towards a node, then you have to take the maximum 1. Maximum number you have to take and write it there as the earliest start time. Now coming towards the second part, that is latest completion time. For this we have formula. Minimum we have to take, and here inside the brackets we have latest completion of ending activity minus duration. So we'll this is known as backward pass. We'll come towards backward direction, and this is forward pass. Okay, so now we have to come towards the backward direction. This latest completion time for the ending activity for the 9th node, that is last node, will always be same as earliest start time. This was earliest start time and this is latest completion time. Now from 9 to 8 we have to come. From 9 to 8, so 9th LC is 28, 9th latest completion is 20, 28 minus duration is 8, 28 minus 8, 20 will come here. Now we have to come towards 7. From 9 to 7 we can come. 9 LC 28, 28 minus 12 is 16. Now we have to come towards 6. For 6th, if you see, there are two arrows which are coming towards 6. 8 also is coming to 6, 9 also is coming to 6. So we can find out both the duration and then take the minimum one in this case. So from 8 to 6 when you will come, 20 minus 4, okay. And from 9 to 6 you will come 28 minus 3. So which one is minimum? Minimum is 16 now. So 16 will come here. Now we have to come towards 5. 5 is from 8 we can come to 5. So 20 minus 5 is 15. Now we have to come to 4. For 4 we have two directions. From 6 also, from 7 also we can come to 4. From 6 if you check, so 16 minus 6, 10. From 7, 12 minus 2, 10. Same. Both same. So fine. Now 3. For 3 we can come from 6 as well as from 4. So 6. From 6 if you check, 16 minus 3, 13. From 4 if you check, 10 minus 5, 5. So 5 is the minimum. Then for 2 we can come from 5 as well as from 6. So take the minimum one. So here minimum you will have 8. And then here you will have from 1 we can return to, you can take the minimum one, that is 0. So like this we can find out the latest completion times also. Okay. After this, now we have 3 conditions to find out the critical path. Based on this ES and LC, we have 3 conditions. So first condition we have ES of starting activity equals LC of starting activity. Second, ES of ending activity, LC of ending activity equal. And third is ES of ending minus ES of starting should be equal LC of ending minus LC of starting, and it should be equal to the duration for that activity. So we have to start from first node and end with we have to move towards the last node, that is 9. From 1 to 9 we have to go. First and last will be same. In between which path we are going to take, that is only critical path that we will with the help of these conditions we'll find out. So from first we can go to 2, 3, 4. Anywhere we can go. But we have to check all the conditions. So from 1 to 2 if you check, so 8 and 2, these are not same. We cannot move towards this. From 1 to 3 we can move, 5, 5 same. From 1 to 4 we can move, 10, 10 same. Other two conditions we have to check. Like that is first, second condition followed. Third condition, that means 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 is 4. No. Here we cannot move. But 5, if you see B activity, 5 minus 0 is 5 and duration is 5. So we can move towards 1 to 3. Now next, from 3 we can move to 4. In the similar way, we have to check the conditions and move. From 4 we can move to 6. Okay, we cannot move towards 7 because that is not same. From 6 we can move to 8. Okay, and from 8 we can come to 9. This is the path. Now based on this, I have written here the critical path. That path is showing us the activities B, D, H, K, N. And for this is the critical path. From 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 9. And for these 5 activities, I have written the duration, that is 5, 5, 6, 4, 8. Add the duration, you will get 28 months. And 28 months is the project completion time. So we got critical path as well as project completion time.